Okay. So, look at here on the screen. Now, whatever the data sets we have, just we have taken the data sets and we are seeing the data here, right. Now, suppose if someone asks you, no, you can see here the name of customer is coming, like C is first, then S is there, B is there, right. I want to arrange this in order, right. I want the data to be ordered either in ascending order or descending order. How you are going to see that? So, for that you have the option over here, like you can see here a gear icon, that is setting icon. Click on that and you can see that you have by default, that is called a data source order. That means, however it was imported from the Excel sheet, the same way it is there, that is called as data source order. Next we have A to Z ascending, A to Z, Z to A descending, that is descending order, A to Z based on your per table, like on basis of table you want, that also you can do that. So, let us select A to Z. So, I want A to Z. So, what happened? Can you anyone tell me? I click, what happened? What does happen? I click to show you for sorting. What happened actually? We have not done anything wrong. So, hope you have not observed the option which is mentioned on the top. You can see that this order is not for the column data. What is the data is there, like country, city, inside that whatever the countries are there, not for that, it is only for column head sorting. That means, what is the column head first? What is the first we had? Row ID. Let me go back to the data source order and now you will be able to see that the row ID is there, right. Now, you see that order ID, it is not in order. I want to sort this, that means my column head based on ascending order, I will click A to Z. So, what happened? If you look at now, so first C, category, city, country, customer, then C, after C D, then after O is there, right. So, you can see only column head, it is in ascending order or descending order, you can do it, or what is the order from the data source, that is using that option, that is sorting of on basis of column head. Now, you want to sort, now you can see here we have F, O, again F, this is not sorted. Now, I want to sort this based on the data, right, based on each column. Now, when you click on this column on the top, automatically it will show icon, right, you can see that some icon is there, right. When you click on that, so there are again three options is there. One, you click, this is sorting based on your, that is alphabetic A to Z, right. You can see that now F, so many furnitures are there. So, all F, then O, right, only this data is there. Again if you click, and even you can see that if you maximize, if I maximize this, you can see that the icon also will vary. You can see that the one is small bar, right, and bottom the bigger bar. Now, I click on this again, you can see that the bigger bar has appear on the top. That means, now it is coming in descending order. That means, first from start from Z if it is there. So, only for that. And the third one, when you click the normal, how it was earlier, the same way the data will be there. Clear? Clear guys? And the moment you sort, automatically it will sort the next rows also. You can see that technology. The second city is Los Angeles. Again, if I click on that, you can see that it is getting changed, right. So, like this way you can sort. Even if you want a city to be sort in ascending order, again if you click, but based on that it is going to be sort. So, based on each individual column you can set it, right, data, based on data you can sort. So, this is the called as sorting, okay, and ascending and descending order, right. This is about this. The next one